Okay, this is a short tutorial on how to write ionic formulas, the binary, where you have a positive metal and a negative nonmetal. All you need is the periodic table. Remember, on the periodic table, these all have a charge of +1. These are all +2. These, the transition metals, you're going to need a Roman numeral to tell you what its charge is, because these guys have more than one charge. These have a +3. These are a ±4. We're not likely to use these. Maybe tin and lead. Tin and lead have a Roman numeral 2. Tin can be a 1 or a 2 or a 4, sorry, and lead can be a 2 or 4. These guys are all -3. These guys are all -2, -1, and 0. So let me show you how this works. Let's pick a metal. Let's take strontium, for example. Strontium has a charge of +2. Now pick a nonmetal. You can't do two metals. It's always a metal and a nonmetal. Let's do bromine. Bromine has a charge of -1. So to write its formula, you take each number and cross it to the other atom so that it becomes SrBr2. Now you might be wondering, what does that mean? That means that there's one strontium and two bromine. Let me show you why. In reality, strontium has 2 valence electrons. Bromine has 7. So bromine wants just one electron. Strontium will not give just one away. Strontium will give both away or none away. So bromine has to bring a buddy. So therefore, one goes to the first one, the other goes to the second one. Now this is the long way of doing this, to get SrBr2. That's the short way. Just cross the numbers. Don't cross the plus or minus, just the numbers. That will give you the correct binary formula. I will do one more with a transition metal. Let's do iron 3. And let's react it with oxygen. So I cross the charges. I get Fe2O3. The 3 goes there, the 2 goes there. Now to name these, it's very simple. A bond is kind of like a marriage. The first name stays the same, but the last name changes. So this is going to be up here. Sorry about that. Changing colors. This is going to be called strontium bromide. Now, these are all lowercase. The bromine changes to an ide. This one, I can't just say iron oxide because iron is a transition metal. You must indicate what its charge is with a Roman numeral. This was iron 3, so this becomes iron 3 oxide. So I hope this kind of helps you to do the binary ones. In my next lesson, I'm going to show you how to do the ones with polyatomic ions. Thanks for tuning in.